이제 호출을 보여주겠다라고.
We are going to show how to communication between the doorbell and application will work.
영선이가 저거 띵동 누르래?
Push the call button on the doorbell and then receive the call on the application.
얘기를 해봐요, 영선아. 아니, 여기서 도어벨에서 얘기해.
Hello. So we can talk.
네. 그 다음에
모니터링, 엄청 모니터링.
모니터링 30번 누르고.
So and we can do remote monitoring with the smart doorbell.
천천히 해야겠다.
하이. 끊. 그래 보자.
최근
최근 목록에 대해서.
It even comes with its own motion detect.
네,
Motion detect function. Okay, sensor detect.
화면 보여줘. 눌러.
잘 보이네.
Then the apps show the recent detected.
한 번 더 눌렀어. 됐어.
And there is an event list where you can see recent event.
이 정도 될 것 같아요. 그다음 메뉴.
And you can adjust the doorbell setting by pressing menu and here is setting mode. Okay, the explanation has now been concluded.